Hey traders, how you doing today? Happy election day here in the United States. We are set to either change hands or keep it going. You guys trade yesterday? I did not. I got myself I had my eye on it, but I knew that it's just weird in my you know I saw this thing after I dropped the kids off, and it's just like, ugh, what's gonna happen here? It looks like it washed them out a little bit, right? Took them out. All these guys that had stops right here, everybody that has a stop lost their money. So, um, are you guys planning on trading today? Are you guys just going to sit out? Let's see what we could have found after that yesterday, right? Price comes back up here, right? So we have our impulse. That's our first step. We have a little wash right here. It just wasn't really, it's sideways. There's not a lot going on, and I'm not here to force anything. I'm not here to make any great moves. I'm here to just find my trade, my impulse, I don't even see anything, there's nothing jumping out at me yesterday that made me say that I really wish I was in the market. Now there's people that will. They'll make something up. Somebody's going to say something about something. Yeah, maybe here, but it's again 6:45. My trading hours from about 7:15 right about here to right about 11:30, 12 o'clock. I'll even go here. I'm hard pressed to even find a trade. Just hard pressed. What does our hourly chart look like? See what our hourly chart look like. Flat, 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 flat. I don't know. I mean, I see the big box, right? Price landed back in the mountain here. And remember, guys, this is what we do. We play with it like it's clay. We're getting creative. The more creative you are in this business, the more opportunities you can find. And don't disguise creativity for impulsive behavior, things that you want to force. You got to have a setup. You got to have a setup. So price dropped down into here. It didn't really break any of this stuff though, right? Let's, take it off the bottom of these guys here. They're just bouncing on it. It's either poised to go one way or the other, right? But that's kind of interesting too. Those long candlesticks. Do I have it here? Oh, it's on the other side of that one. It's on the other side of that one. Here it is. Here. Boop. These long candlesticks. Long candlesticks. That just tells me price reached down. I mean, that was a full bar at one point. Reached down. Couldn't find anything. Reached down, reached down. So that could be something. You say, well, price came all the way back down here. The guy that sold this, he bought this, sold that, bought that, sold that, bought that. And we could end up here by the end of the day. I don't know. I'm optimistic, but I'm gonna watch. I'm definitely gonna watch. I'm gonna keep my eyes. I don't even know if overnight there was anything. Impulse. I mean, okay, so I see one. You guys see it right here? impulse, call that a shelf, right? Maybe call that a shelf. Where you at? You have step 1, impulse, step 2, shelf, step 3, wash, step 4, retest, step 5, enter. You enter right there. Bingo. Overnight. There it is. All that work. I mean, I can't even find one in here, man. Impulse, pop. I mean, it's not happening. The flow was weird. Now there's setups in there. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you couldn't have sold, you know, this line here. If you have a nice top here, you could have sold that and made money. There's trades, but I'm really not into forcing trades right now, especially when the market the way it is. So let's keep it light, keep it simple. Tomorrow is going to be much more flowing once somebody knows, and if we know the results, it's going to start flowing again. But you could feel the contention. So be safe out there. Protect your profits. Watch what's going to happen. There's going to be some big bars come whenever it's going to happen. I don't know. I remember in years past, these things just get crazy. I got a letter from my broker saying, hey, the volatility, tight stops, everything I've been saying to you guys, just pay attention to it. All right, let's talk in a couple hours, and good luck to you out there. And I hope you voted.